organized, ladies and gentlemen. If you're having a good time, it's just starting.
I love Joe. Yes, I'm
so much enthusiasm.
The beard?
Not that kind of
That does not make TV.
Cut that part out.
Ladies and gentlemen, if there's anybody in this room right now who's getting ready for the costume contest, the cosplay contest, your sign up is right over here with Brooke the Monster. So come on down. If you know anybody out in the lobby who's looking to sign up for the cosplay contest, have them come on in, sign up here with Brooklyn Monster, one of our very, very special listeners on Gonzo Radio. Just remember, the opening ceremonies will be starting in about 15 minutes. And the history of supervillainy and Batman Untold Story, along with guys just playing games, that has been set back to 12:45. So if you have any questions, come on up, see me, Kevin, the Pirate King of Gonzo Radio. And I hope you're having a great time here at Geek Fest, Florida, 2015, Age of Ultracon.
Yeah, that's the plan. 6 o'clock for kids, 6:30 for adults.
Brooklyn Monster.
How you doing, my friend? What's going on?
How you doing?
Doing good, man. Getting ready.
We're ready to do this.
Got it, my friend. Hi, how are you?
The first person to sign up.
Got it.